All aboard the Meow Meow Train.
Yeah, meow meow.
All aboard the Meow Meow Train, whirling down the sunny plain with a chug-a-chug and a purr so sweet. Little cat paws go tap tap feet. The engine's driven by Captain Whisker. He rings the bell and blows the twister.
Meow meow meow, hold on tight.
We're off to travel
Day and night.
First stop, town of milk and cream, where kittens play and chase their dream. They sip warm milk, they laugh and cheer. The Meow Meow Train is finally here.
Chug chug chug, the wheels go round. Through green fields it makes its sound. Purr purr purr, the cats all sing as the train goes bouncing on the spring.
Tabby waves from window seat, licking her paws to stay so neat. Blackie naps on a soft blue hat, while Ginger chats with a tiny cat. Through the tunnel, dark and deep, the kitties giggle, none can sleep. Out they roll in golden light.
Whiskers shining oh so bright.
Next stop is the yarn ball town, where strings and ribbons swirl around. The cats all tumble, roll and play in a rainbow world of red and gray.
Chug chug chug, across the track with tails up high and no looking back. The Meow Meow Train goes puffing through under skies of silver blue. At the station by the sea, they sing their song in harmony.
Meow, 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 let's ride again. We love our happy
Meow Meow Train!
When the stars begin to gleam, the train slows down beside a stream. The cats all yawn and softly purr, dreaming dreams of where they were. All aboard again someday. The Meow Meow Train will roll away.
Through hills and fields in sun